So this is the cabin air filter for the Toyota vehicle. So today we're gonna replace my Rav4 because I think this is due for replacement. So this is the part number 87139YZZ37, but actually we have it's like the original air filter for the Rav4. It's 87139-58010, which is a little bit expensive. It's around $49 or $50 for this filter that I got. It cost me $39. I think it's $35 if you're gonna order it online through the toyotaparts.com. And this second one here, it's for the engine filter. We're gonna do a video later on. So let's open this. So your cabin air filter is located just behind your glove box here. So you just have to open this. This one here, just need to remove this. And here, just push it a little bit, and on the other side also you got to. Okay. So once you have access down here, so this is what it looks like, the glove box. Behind your glove box, this is the one. So there is a label. This pointing arrow should be up. So in order for you to remove the filter, you need to remove this lid. So you have to push this and then pull. This is your cabin filter. You just have to pull this one. So this is the new cabin air filter that I just showed you earlier. Let's open this. this in the block LED fits. So it's time to put this back here. Arrow up here. And that's it. Put back the black cover. Turn the glove box here. Alright, it's fixed.